Number 11. A 650 kilogram car moving to the right at 20 meters per second collides with a stationary 2250 kilogram truck. Which of the following graphs could represent the force as a function of time for both the car and the truck during the collision? In the first place, Newton's third law forces us to consider that the two forces must have equal magnitude, which means that we cannot have option A, B, D, or E. On the other hand, necessarily, the two forces must go in opposite directions because of Newton's third law. So option C is our only viable option.